Hello scientific people, welcome to DAV Mall Public School. I hope you are doing great with the chapter of forest. This is the third video of this forest. Previously we have studied about forest, different layers of forest. Now in this video we will study about some common trees which are found in India. The first tree, that is the banyan tree, which is also the national tree of India, and it is immortal tree. It lives for a longer amount of time. The trees is reversed as a sacred in Hindu philosophy. The roots then give rise to more trunks and branches. This is a perfect example of banyan tree. This is national tree of India, and it is considered as a spiritual tree, wherein you will find many rishis residing over here for thousands and thousands of years. It's a spiritual tree, you can say. The next important tree which are found in India, that is teak tree. This is a teak tree. The bark is bitter. Health. It gives health. It serves as a health giving tonic, and it is a useful in fever also. This is again an important tree which is found in India. Neem tree, as you know, neem is a very important tree. It is also known as miracle tree because it cures any disease which are there. Here the bark, leaves and seeds are used to make medicines. Less often the root, flowers and fruits are also used. So neem tree as a whole is a very important because it is mainly used in medicinal purposes. Another important tree, that is eucalyptus. This is a eucalyptus tree. It is a tall evergreen tree. More than 700 species of eucalyptus are found. The leaves can be made into essential oil, as well as for inhalation purpose is also this eucalyptus tree plays a very vital role. Mainly eucalyptus trees are, you can associate it with the different types of oil. That oils are mainly eucalyptus oils are found very frequently. Another important tree, that is deodar tree. Deodar tree is an evergreen. It is mainly found in coniferous region. It is a weeping tree. As you can see, all the branches are weeping or inclining downwards. It is often used as a specimen tree in parks and other large gardens, and also it is used in a street also. It is mainly found in street also. It is a weeping tree. This is nothing but a deodar tree. Sal tree. This is a sal tree. As you can see, this is a sal tree. It is a large subsidious tree. It is worshipped by the Buddhists and Hindus. Sal seeds and fruits are a source of lamp oil and vegetable oil. This is a sal tree. This is a way, in this way you will find sal tree is growing. It is mainly vegetable oils and lamp oil can be obtained with the help of sal tree. So I hope you have understood. Thank you and have a nice day.